What if the idea that hard work leads to success is not a fact, but a belief society teaches you? Meritocracy is the idea that individuals succeed based on talent and effort. It feels fair, even natural, but sociologically it has a history. Before modern societies, status was inherited. In feudal systems, your birth determined your future. Merit had little role. With the rise of modern states and capitalism, this began to shift. Education systems expanded, exams were introduced, and societies started to claim that positions should be earned, not given. The term itself was popularized in the 20th century, but ironically as a critique. Michael Young warned that a society that believes it is perfectly meritocratic can become more unequal, because those at the top feel they deserve it, and those at the bottom are blamed. Contemporary sociology supports this concern. Daniel Markovits argues that meritocracy has created a new elite, one that monopolizes education and opportunity while appearing fair. Success is framed as earned, but the system is far from equal. Joe Littler describes meritocracy as a cultural narrative, a story societies tell to justify inequality. It encourages individuals to internalize success and failure as personal rather than structural. Across cultures, meritocracy operates differently. In some East Asian societies, exam systems strongly shape life chances. In Western societies, networks and cultural capital often play a hidden role. In many post-colonial contexts, merit is entangled with language, global standards, and historical inequalities. From a Muslim intellectual perspective, merit is not rejected, but redefined. Ibn Khaldun showed that leadership and status should be tied to competence and group cohesion, but he also warned that privilege tends to reproduce itself over time. Syed Hussein Alatas argued that labeling societies as lazy or unproductive ignores structural barriers. What is seen as lack of merit is often lack of opportunity. Ali Shariati emphasized that true value is not measured by social status or material success, but by consciousness and purpose. Merit, in this sense, is moral and intellectual, not just economic. So what is meritocracy? It is both an ideal and a system. It promises fairness, but can hide inequality. It motivates effort, but can blame individuals for structural limits. The real question is not whether merit matters, but who gets the chance to prove it. Because a society is not truly meritocratic if a starting line is never equal. If this changed how you see success and fairness, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just chase success, you understand the system behind it.